Okay, welcome to Website Design and Development Business course. My name is Osiabe Jude. I will be your instructor in this course. How do you start your website design business course? It's very easy, and I will show you everything in this course. Requirement that you need there for this course: your mobile phone, your social media account, your portfolio website. And this portfolio website is your website where you showcase your job that you have already done to people before. And how does this work? It's very easy. Who are website development agency? A website development agency specializes in creating, designing, maintaining a website for business, organization, and individual. And these are very easy for you to start making money. Okay, the work of the agency: they make consultation, planning, designing, and development, and testing, launch, and maintenance. These are the work of the agency. It's your ability for you to create a website for people. People come to you and request for something that, hello, please, I need a website for this my business. What type of website they need? It's not late for you to tell the person. This is things that you need. Give them the scope. The first of all, the things that they needed for you to create the website. And after that, you launch your website for them and you charge them for that services. And it's very easy for you to start this type of business. A lot of people that you see online seeing their website design or developer, most of them they don't even know what they are doing. They only do the business. They don't know anything about programming language or how to code. But the easier way things they do is that they just know some process whereby they go to people, they'll get some knowledge from them. Like there will be a group of different programmers, which is website design programmers, where they are in their group. Then once they get a consultation from person that I need a website, after asking the person much question, they will now post it on the group that I need so person who can create this for me. Then when the person come, they negotiate with the person. I'm just telling you the basic aspect of it, which is the most important thing to know. They will now just go on bargain with the person. This website is what I need. I need so thing inside the website. They don't know any language. There is now left for the program to tell you that okay, this is the amount it will cost you. After getting the amount, maybe let's start with a portfolio website. Now you want to create a portfolio website for your business. It's very important as a web designer. Then once they for them to create for you, they can charge you like 200,000. So okay, height is I will charge you 200,000 for this project, and that project they are charging you the 200,000. It's not left for you since you are offering the service to other person. When you want to speak with your client, you can tell you that okay, I need you have to pay me the sum of 300,000. Now already you have made a sum of 100,000 from that project. You understand? That's what many people did. And there's also the other aspect that as wasted because how people make money from it and easily. They also go with what we call scripts. What is script? Scripts are already made website, but it's not launched yet. They buy the script, just a template. After buy the script, only they purchase the hosting and the domain. Then they host it for the person. When they have some little issue about it, they'll look for a programmer who have the knowledge. They'll come to you, please, I want you to set up this to do this thing for me. Look at the error I'm getting. They install it. The programmer must charge you. That's how it is. They'll charge, okay, you have to pay me some of 30,000 or 50, 100. Depends on the type of issue you are having. And after that, you pay the programmer, he set up it. That's how many people used to work on this internet, saying that they are a website designer. But currently, none of them has the knowledge. Most of them. 20% is only 20% in the internet that has that knowledge that offer these services. 80% are people, they are novice. When you even give them a laptop to tell them to just them say write a little code of I am so. That is the problem. You get it? Now, let's give you some brief about it. How to create any website without WordPress or coding. Now, this is the major aspect. For you to create any website, you don't want to use a WordPress because what I'm not teaching you, you will not use WordPress. You will not do any job that is critical to you because I'm taking you as a novice, a new person in this system. And since you are a new person in the system, that means you don't know anything about website WordPress because WordPress is keys. You don't know anything. You are just going there for the business. Now, how do you do this? For you to do this, you need some certain things to put in order. One, a hosting plan. Okay, After getting a hosting plan, you get a domain too. These are things you need to get. And SSL security. This is a certificate because once you are entering a website, you will see a little key at the browser showing security. That is the SSL security. Then a PHP script, as I told you earlier, a PHP script. That script is called PHP because these are program that already written in a PHP format. You understand? We have other scripts that you can also get, like JavaScript script. Those are written in a JavaScript programming language. While this one is written in PHP programming language. You understand? Those people that write this, those are the real programmer, the well designed programmer. But you using it, it does not mean that you will know everything before you can start using it. It can even be that you don't know anything in this, you can also use it. Okay, that's what we are about to show you clearly. Then you don't need to stress yourself. Now, after getting all this, it's now time for you to go to the job. Now, I just want to give you some little explanation about this. What is hosting? These are things that we listed there. Hosting is where you put your product. You understand? A server where you upload your scripting to so that everyone can see it. And we have different hosting. We have J3 host, we have Namecheap, Host Africa, many more. But I mostly use J3 host, which is j3host.com. Then you can also purchase a domain from this website, but mostly the one I use is still j3host.com. That's where I used to purchase my domain. Then you can still purchase from Namecheap. But since you are in Nigeria, Namecheap, it will be hardly for you to purchase in Namecheap because that means you will use a coin because they reject Nigeria card. But at J3 you can purchase at any time with your Naira transfer anyone. They can also purchase security from there for the same website I listed for you. There are many others. These are the ones that I use, and the first one is the one I use mostly. That's why. Then where I get a website script, I get from webplanet.co.ng, teamforest.com, and phpjamba.com. This is the first one is the one I'm using mostly because I purchase, they are very cheap and reliable, and also I pay with my card. I don't use to stress to go and look for a dollar card that I will use for all this project. Now I've explained everything about this. The script here is what you purchase to create your website. Then let me explain a little about it for you as time goes on. How do you purchase a domain? Now you can purchase a domain. For this, after this video, there was a video that I illustrate how to get a domain and hosting. You can follow that so that you can also purchase your domain and hosting. I've already taught the video. Now, how to purchase a PHP website script. The script is also have created a video on how to purchase the scripts, on particularly on Zoom. Now, how to create a website portfolio for your agency or for personal. I also have a video on this place that will teach you how you can do this. This is just little explanation telling you what you are going to learn and also explaining the details of it for you. How to create online bank. Also, there's also a script, a video inside that teach you how to create online banking. You don't need to have any knowledge of website design before you can start doing all these things that I'm showing you. That is number one thing also to know, and it's very important and it will benefit you more. Now, how to create e-commerce website. I did not put the video here because with the knowledge of the rest, you can able to create anything that you want to create. Now, let me explain a little things about it. Most of the websites that are running, when you want to create a website with a PHP script, you purchase the script for the first time. Maybe someone said, I want to create online banking website. Most people charge 150, 200, 300, even 600, 700. Depends the way the client is. Then once you want to work with a PHP script, you get the particular, you can just send in some sample. These are sample that I have select. The person will select a particular one. Then you ask, okay, do you have the name? They have those ones, just talk about the name you use, blah blah, which is the domain. After that, you got to get your script. If you are using a script, It's now left for you to say, okay, since you are using a script, you want to go and get the script, you purchase the script. You can go to webplanning.co.ng to purchase your script, the type of script. And also, if you are working with client that you don't have any sample to send to the client, you can also go there, look for their different demo account. Maybe you want to create a online banking for the person, just look for that demo. After getting the demo, then you collect the link, you send it to your client to view from there. The one they like, you can just go there and purchase it. You get. Then after purchase, for you to purchase it, you have to pay maybe some depends the script, some 30,000, some 50, some 60. Just some they will sell 120. But one thing about it is that once you bought it once, you will not bought it again. That one so you can use to create as many websites that you want. The only thing you will start buying is hosting and domain. You understand? Because G3 hosts always give a free SSL certificate. That means you don't do bot, but there are some website you go, you have to purchase your SSL certificate. It's very important. You get the but G3 hosts does it. Then after getting the script for your webplanning.com, then you get your domain, your hosting. Now this is where the calculation comes. Now one thing you have to know is that doing things the first time was costly. Why? Let us we have to purchase the domain. I'm using a case study of j2host.com. Their hosting is 48,000 per month. Then you get a domain. I think .com is 22,000 per month. They add it to it. You are going with a roughly of 70,000 for it. After getting that for 70,000, means that when you want to create a website, you have to get a sum of 70,000 to create every website, excluding your scripts. Then in that the same website, you can host like two websites in that the same website. That means what you want to create from that person, since you only use only one space, you can purchase the domain and add it to it for you to create a two website. That means that thing can give you a website of two websites for it. Okay, let us know that you have a client that created, say, okay, this is what I needed. I need the online banking website. First time, you charge the person, maybe you can charge the person. The person said I will pay you 200,000. This is how you make your money. The 200,000 is pay you. You get your script. Then you can go to web planning to just check webplanning.com.ng to check for the script because you have already sent sample. I say you like this. After getting your sample, then go to there, you purchase it. Maybe it can cost you 30,000 or 50,000. Let us know that it costs you 40,000 naira for the script. Then the host and the domain cost you 70,000. When you add the website script to it, you can get every two total will be the sum of 110,000 or 120,000 naira. Then I charge the person 200,000. As you can see, I've already made the sum of 80,000 from it. Just cash, and this will not take you up to a day before you can create it. It's very simple. You know how you can get your logo, create your logo inside. You can purchase it. Then if you know that you cannot do it, okay, you can also go and meet all those. Just say, but where you purchase the script, you can just say you need to host it. Yeah, you want them to give you the service of hosting. Then you can also give them the script. From there, they will host it for you. Maybe it will cost at least 20 to 25 to 30,000 naira. Then you also make your core 50,000. But mind you, those things that you purchase the first time, which is the host and the scripts, and the domain, is the only domain that you will bought again. If you have another copy instantly again, can you purchase a domain which is cost you 22 or 23,000 naira, and is the person needed the same website to use that same script for it? That means you remove 20,000 for that one, for that amount, or you purchase the hosting again. That too will cost you nothing less than 90,000 or 80,000. Then you have make on that 120 with that thing. That's why it's very easy for you to make money when it comes to web design business. It's very easy. Now that is the aspect of when you are using a script. But if you are not using a script, the other aspect is that you join yourself to a different programming language, programming group, like website design group, a lot of them. When someone give you the project, I see it's a unique project, you will request for someone who can easily just tell you, say, okay, this is what I need. This is investigation. Send the person the blueprint of the website your clients to send to you that you want, or to let him know the type of website you know. Then you back in on it. After backing on it, you ask you all duties that you needed require you be inside. Say yes. There's no. It's not left for you to meet your client, assure your client. If the person tell you that it's 300, don't stress yourself. Tell the person you are paying. You have to pay 400,000. From there, you can make your put 200,000, or you can even reduce from there. You can get 150. Also make the project. It doesn't matter that who create the project for you that much. It doesn't matter. It's you that offer the job. The person you give the person a service. You offer a service to your client direct. Your client don't need to know. Will not know who create the job at the back end that is you contract the work to other person. It doesn't concern you. All you know, you give him a nice job. That's all. This is how you can easily make a money online without stressing yourself. You'll be seeing so many people posting websites available, so. Those are what they do. And the other aspect that some of them get to know some kind of people that they know that these people is very good in the job. This person, they'll make friend with him, start getting his contract there, they share to him. Like me, I know there's a guy that always write me once he have contract. Hey, boss, I want to do so thing. I charge him. I charge the person. Sometimes I will charge you 300,000 for e-commerce website, for a logistic website. You understand? Just charge 300,000. I mean, I always could. Then before I will write down the sell for him, the highest I would pay is 60,000 naira. The remaining 240,000 comes to my pocket without negotiating it. You understand? Because I'm a programmer. But this way I'm showing you is how you can start your website design business. Not how you can code or how you can stress yourself learning programming. If you want to come for a programming language to learn programming, there's also a room for that. But this is the aspect that you have to follow first so that you can start making cool cash on the internet.